So, we are here at 201. Eastlander. Oh, once again. This is Sheldon FM 107.9, but I'm just kidding. That's Win Radio. Sorry if I'm down because public sick so short because of the campaign. My eyes.
Nasaan nyo?
Welcome viewers. Welcome ha. Welcome na.
Welcome!
What's your full name? What? What's your full name? Finlanders. No. I'm Finlanders. So, I'm gonna ask the following questions. Asan nyo? Questions.
Louder please! Louder lumapit.
I'm gonna ask the following questions since Olander. So Olander, is that a creative face? What?
Bobo nang ini-interview.
You don't think, oh, you don't think that's alright. So, what do you make your face in this sound effects?
Wait. First of all, I wanna say hello to my family. Thank you. About that question, yeah, God bless, bro. God bless.
Yeah. And that's it. So, okay na. Oh, okay na. Ano mo na? Ano mo yan?